here's how we can silence Android phone. So let me show you some ways how you can make that work. If it's your first time on a Foxtecc, subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this. So the easiest and quickest method to achieve this would be by swiping down from the top right portion of the display. If you are on the home screen, this is gonna give you the access to the control center, and in most cases you should see the sound option right there, and you can switch between the loud mode, the vibrate only, and mute mode. So if you quickly want to silence your phone, just go there and just disable it like that. Outside of that, it would be better if you need it a bit more customized to go to the settings where you can find the sounds and vibrations menu. In there, the same options like the sound, vibrate, and mute, so you can switch between those. But it's interesting because if you go to the mute mode, you can as well set up the temporary mute, which is very useful if you only need your phone to have no sound and be silenced for just a period of time. As I said, like you might be going into a meeting or you just want your phone to be silent for an hour or so, you can set it up right here. So very useful stuff. But below you can also manage the notifications sound and the how loud it's going to be and the ringtone and all of that. So very interesting things which you can play with. So you can as well go to the volume and set up how loud the notifications is going to be, how loud the ringtone, the media, and so on. So it's very useful if you go through the settings menu, if you not only want to make your phone silent, but as well manage it a little bit more specifically, what exactly is supposed to be silent and so on. So that's how you would be able to approach it if you want to get the most out of it. If you like this video and like what you see, let me know about it below in the comments, or you can just hit the thumbs up to let me know, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.